How's it going, everyone? Today we are unboxing the Air Jordan 12 Low Playoffs for golf. We'll go ahead and open the box up here. It does specify Nike Golf right away, and we will immediately just take the shoes out. I'll actually put them aside for a second. We'll take this one out and then we'll move the box over so it's not in the way. But here we go. Check these out. Absolutely love the look of these. If you're a fan of the Air Jordan 12s, the playoffs are, quite frankly, I think the best ones. We do have the black on the top, then we do have the white on the bottom with a little bit of a gray patch right here that says Jumpman on them. And if we look at the tongue, has the red Air Jordan logo, the 2-3 written just down the tongue with the black laces on here. We have the silver for these little tie areas for your laces. And on the back right here, we've got the red right there with the black logo. Then it says Golf for the Love of 18 with the number 23 on there. Just super high quality shoes. Just the feel of them is very, very nice. The padding inside is excellent on these. Absolutely love them. These are a size 10 if you're wondering. And let's have a look at the base of the shoe for the golf edition of them. We have a black Air Jordan logo just right at the top right here. And then we do have these spikes on here, and these ones are the removable spikes, ones that you can also tighten up. I would recommend tightening these when you first get them out of the box. And there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spikes on here. So tighten them when you get them, or the nice thing about these spikes is you can get higher quality spikes as well, and you can replace these if you want to, or replace them once these ones have worn out. So the longevity of the shoe is definitely there because you can just continue to replace them. But just an excellent, excellent looking shoe. Let's have a look at the other one right here. Side by side, you can see same thing, the 2-3 written down the middle. These ones from the side as well with the gray right here. And just a great looking shoe. We have seen Harold Varner III wear these recently in tournaments. He is sponsored by Jordan Golf. So if you want to see them in action, you can see them, or pick these up online and grab these. Just an excellent shoe. Highly recommend them.